Hello everybody, I am Marscapone, this is Elden Ring, and I'm gonna be trying this boss for an hour or so, see how I feel about it, and if all fails, we'll go do something else. Alright, I do have a few runes on me. Oh well. Yeah, what the hell is that move? Okay, I lied. It's only been 40 minutes, but I feel like I'm getting nowhere. She ends most fights, most attempts with full health. I haven't even gotten near to getting her down to half health. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, I don't want my weekend to consist out of 2 boss fights that I attempt for the whole weekend, so I want to make some progress. So I knew that. When I was traveling to the bonfire, I was like, there's probably a bonfire here somewhere, and there sure is. So let's touch it. I did end up using the sacred tear we found last episode, or whenever. So our flask is plus 11 now. And here we go. Our next bit of story, I guess. We're gonna grab the embers that we're gonna burn the earth tree with. Come on, horsey. Come on, come on. I'm not scared at all. I just want to be a little bit careful here. The embers to burn the earth tree. Here we go. Not dangerous at all, I can totally do this. I'm a master at parkour on my horse. The fuck? The fuck? Come on! Well, it's official. This chain is harder than the boss in front of it. Maybe on foot is a better idea. Looks like it. Is there a safe way down? What the hell, dude? That's easily a makeable jump. So where do we go then? I need to be here, right? Did I come to the wrong bowl of embers? Maybe there? Although seems just as high. Does it? I feel like it does. But there's a bonfire here. That makes it easier to try at least. Touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Thank you. Nope. Nobody told me how hard it would be to get down here. What do I do? Do we just kinda scale? No? What the hell? I'm so confused. I don't know. Honestly, I've been all around the rim, and nothing feels like it would be a safe spot to go down. So yeah, Aha. Oh! So I was a bit confused earlier on in this series about the boss we were just fighting, which is called Malenia, Blade of Miquella. Because I thought our firekeeper was also called Malenia, but she's called Melina. Very different. Very easy to keep them apart. But anyway, yeah, maybe we should talk to her. Maybe she's gonna give us a hint as to how to get in here. And she's not the same as Millennia, for the record.
I have long observed the lands between.
Yeah.
This world is in dire need of repair and death. Indiscriminate. Are you prepared to commit a cardinal sin?
Am I? Yeah, sure.
Very well.
Whatever.
Let my hand rest upon you. For but a moment.
Okay. Oh. What did you do to me? Are the flames coming back to life? What did you... Looks like it. Ooh. She's on fire.
O Erd tree, you shall burn.
All the way from here? Can she do that?
Burn for the sake of the new Lord.
That would be me. Is it working? Is it on fire yet?
Thank you for guiding me here.
You're welcome. I didn't really have a choice, I think.
The one who walks alongside flame shall one day meet the road of destined death.
That's you, right?
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Where are you going? Oh Lord. This doesn't seem good. Where am I? Oh Lord. Where am I? Where is this? This is new, right? Yeah. Crumbling Ferrum Azula. And the tree's there. So I think I've seen this. Yeah, probably from a distance. Oh, there's dragons. Flying. Okay, and a dead one. And here we have an item here. Ooh, nice. Just what I wanted. I'm looking for a way to go. And a bonfire maybe? So I can actually come back here. I wonder if I travel somewhere now. Can I? No, I can't. That makes sense. Oh boy. Crumbling Farum Azula. Lovely architecture. Although, it's seen better days, by the looks of it. Okay. Don't think I have a lot of choice here. What are these? Wolves? Wolf-like creatures? Oh, what happened? What? Did he push me out the way? I don't know. Yeah, I think they're wolf-like. Oh. Oh, lion. Lion-like? Cat-like? I don't know. Here's one more. Old fan. I don't have my torch in my hand anymore. This place is giving me Bloodborne Chalice Dungeons vibes. Which is nice. Oh. Ah, okay, okay. No more playing around, no more playing around. Ah, ah. Ah. Oh, nice combo. They have pretty cool swords as well. Anything here? Really? Ooh, look at this. The tornado looks wild. There's the bonfire. Fantastic. And we may as well keep on exploring, I assume. Cause why not? Okay. It's kinda... It's kinda nauseating with that giant tornado there. Don't look at it, don't look at it. Ignore the giant tornado. Oh lord. Oh no, what are you? I just want this item. You're not even a full-blown boss? Oh, it's a torch. Oh no, no, no. Oh my god. No, I don't know how to dodge this. Ah! Okay, let's give it one more go. I feel like I'm not doing enough damage for this to not take an hour. If I manage to survive that long, that is. Ah. Shit. Oh boy. Ow. Oh boy. Ah. What are you doing? I really need to heal. I'm still full health. Scary? Ah! Ah! Shit. Ah! Shit, 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 shit. Is he full health? What's happening? Ah! Your aim's too good. Great. Great. Great work. Great work. Oh, yes. Ancient Dragon Smithing Stone. Nice. Not too shabby. And there's an item here. And I even managed to save my runes. Yeah. Oh, here's another item. And another bonfire. Fantastic. I don't know how you got transported here. Why are you creeping? Why are you sneaking? You're a tough guy. I didn't think so. I hear more footsteps though. Oh yeah. Good smithing stones here. I don't think we can get up here. Oh, we can. We totally can. Any cool stuff up here? Oh, the way to go. Should I do this first? Why not? Why not? Oh god. Weird. What's below us? Who knows? Oh, there's some people here. More gravel stone. There's a couple of people here. Got him. I'm a little bit afraid that part of the ceiling might collapse. Are these statues or skeletons? Who knows, really? Who knows? Oh, you're special. Nice. Got him. So he dropped a sanctuary stone. Does that mean What is this? What is this? Start. Does this mean this is the sanctuary that we see all the ruins of? Because this place is falling apart. It would kind of make sense. Kind of rather... it doesn't really matter. You kind of scared me, I'm not gonna lie. Where to first? We can still go down too. Might be able to backstab this guy. If we're lucky. Great. We weren't lucky. Okay. Did I throw you down here? Let's see. I need to remember where I am. I haven't been here at all, I think. No, I haven't. Interesting. Oh, look at this. Here is the room. Now let's see if it reached the bottom yet. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we can kill anybody in here. Or should we go up first? Let's go up one more time. Or maybe. There's someone behind me. Crap. Not everybody is alarmed yet. Ooh. Oh, it's just... I was gonna say. How unaware is he of me? Can I sneak up on him? I sure can. Weird. I'll take it. Totally fine by me. Ooh! Even more spells I'll never use. Not with this character, at least. So this is where I came from then? Yeah. Right? Totally. What? Quite confused. Okay. This is the way forward. I think. That's where I came from for sure. I didn't come by elevator, did I? Let's see where this elevator takes us, because I'm kind of lost at the moment. I took a shortcut right away, which I shouldn't have. Maybe not a shortcut, but special routes. I jumped onto a roof. Where am I now? What is this? What are you? Oh! I kind of remember you, maybe. Yeah. Ah, okay. Nice tracking. Do you still do death status effects? Kinda looks like it. I don't really want to know. Okay, glad they brought back my least favorite enemy. Just barfing around. So I'm going somewhere else. It's not my plan at all. But I did find... ooh. I don't think I can backstab you. They're doing the death status effect, indeed. So let's stay out of that. If we can. I don't think he's ever gonna leave that. Oh crap, 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 crap. He's following me. He's following me. Don't spit and I'll be fine. There we go. Beautiful. I should have sat at the bonfire. Because I don't have any healing now. Let's see how far we get here. Okay. That's one. I don't think that's gonna work all the time. Or maybe it will, who knows. I'm even gaining back health because of the amulet I'm wearing. I probably wanna kinda be behind him so he doesn't really notice me. It's so gross. So gross. Oh lord. Kinda wanna take it slow so this bar empties. Yeah, let's take it a little slower. There we go. Quickly, quickly, quickly! Dodge out of there. Thank you. I haven't tried. Ah, there's a dog! What the hell? Where did he come from? Where did he come from? I haven't tried. Can I ride my horse here? No. That's unfortunate, because I was looking at this gap. And I can't make that jump myself. But I did see, because I circled around that guy, I saw a ladder. Which I totally would have missed otherwise. So let's climb it. It goes up quite high. Yeah, we can get to the other side through that cliff face thingy. Okay. There's an item. Nice consume. And a lonely, sad guy. Jesus. It's fine. Nice. What is this? Oh, I guess we can jump here. And then down there. Why would I want to do that? I can just go there, right? Unless there's an item on top of these rocks. I saw these rocks, they're floating. I don't think I want to use those. I mean, I could. I guess it's a quicker way to the other side instead of going down, going back, going there. Let's try it. Alright. Don't trust these signs. It's fine. That's a very big guy. Try and kill him with arrows. Let's see if we can kill him with arrows. It's gonna take a while. I mean, we could shoot him in the face. Oh, that did quite a bit more damage. It's kinda hard to aim though. He doesn't shoot this far now, okay. Oh, nice. Oh, oh, look at that. We could have fish rolled him. Except I'm way too far away. My arms ain't that long. Okay, okay. Ah, yeah. Yes. Yes. We did it! Nice. Only took more than half our arrows. That's fine.